Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Trisna Gunawan from class Informatic Engineering 2B. Today, my group will explain what an operating system, goal of operating system, function of operating system, and conclusion operating system. What is operating system? An operating system is a system software that acts as an interface between the user and the computer hardware and control the execution of all kinds of programs. Goals of operating system. First, user friend. Most friendly. Now that, what do we mean by that? It means that any user the US must find it easy to interact with the OS. Example, if we need to print a file and there are two operating systems in one OS, you need to type a command to execute the printing, and in another OS you just need to select the file and click a print button. People who have the knowledge about the command can select the first OS, but majority of the people will select the second OS, as working with graphical user interface GUI is way more easy than typing the command. Second, efficiency. Second goal is being efficient. When is the operating system efficient? Operating system must give maximum output with minimum input. Operating system must also use the resource effectively. It shall be fast and secure. And function will be explained by my group friend Robi Cahaya.
Okay, I'm Robi Cahaya Mukti from Technic Engineering 2B. I will explain about function of operating system. First, process management. Process management will be work on number of process. So, which process will be executed first, or which process will be executed for how much time, allocating a process or removing process from the processor. Second is memory management. Memory management for a program or process to get execute, it require memory. The primary memory or main memory is used in here, that a RAM. So how much of memory to be allocated to a process, or then to the allocated the memory from the process, or keeping the track of how much memory is being used. Three is I/O management. I/O management is if we have a number of devices like a keyboard, mouse, printer, scanner, pen drive, external hard disk, keeping track of all device, which process get the device for how much time, managing the connection of the disk device, all these managed by the operating system. 4 is file management. File management is contain many file and directory which are well organized, keeping track of information, locating user status, etc. Next, fifth is network management. Network management is network management now every day device connect with each other in a network. Managing all network connection and device is done by the operating system. For example, like internet, for playing the game we have internet to connect the local area network the game. And the last is security management. As there are many used in a system which user has authority to access the device or information, who is authorized access or activity, this all is done by the operating system. This is protect your operating system from the hacker or cybercrime criminal. And next, conclusion. Operating system is a software that acts as an interface between the user and the computer hardware and control the execution of the all kind the program. Goal of operating system is to number 1 is user friendly, number 2 is efficiency, and 6 function of the operating system is first process management, second memory management, third I/O management or input output management, 4 file management, 5th is network management, and the last is security management. Thank you for attention and thank you for reading the presentation. I'm sorry if my group have a mistake from this presentation. Thank you very much. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.